Microdosing is the latest trend in skincare. If you have never heard of microdosing, the next 10 minutes will change your life. Great day, ladies and gentlemen, I'm Dr Ingky, your digital skin doctor, and welcome to Skynfyx, the platform whereby we give you the latest scoop in skincare trends and educate you on what's right for your skin. Have you guys heard of the term microdosing? Microdosing have been used in cosmetic medicine for a couple years now, and generally microdosing means that it uses very teeny tiny amounts of active ingredients to give you the best result without skin irritation. And as we know, some of the best skin ingredients can actually be irritating for your skin. This sort of ingredients are like alpha hydroxy acids, namely glycolic acid, lactic acid. It could also be vitamin C, which is irritating your skin. So if you want the best result for your skin without skin irritation, do try something called microdosing. And the best ingredient to actually start microdosing, if you've never tried microdosing before, the best ingredient is to start with retinol. Now, why microdose retinol? Because in some cases, high doses of retinol, especially in those using 1 to 2% of retinol, can get severe skin irritation, redness, skin sensitivity. The skin can actually darken when exposed to sunlight, especially insufficient use of UV protection, and even something we call skin purging. Skin purging is a phenomenon whereby teeny tiny bumps appear on your skin and can even lead to severe acne, especially for those using retinol products. And due to all these circumstances, if you want to start retinol, start with microdosing retinol. The main reason most people use retinol is to increase the cell turnover, means how quickly your skin changes. And how quickly your skin changes will actually determine how young your skin will actually look. So a little bit of retinol is better than no retinol at all. And in a lot of cases, microdosing retinol is similar or even better than using full strength retinol. If you microdose retinol, you can increase the skin firmness, reduce uneven skin tone, reduce wrinkles, you reduce hyperpigmentation, and even in some cases, even reduce sebum production, which would lead to lesser acne. So many of you might be asking now, where can I find a microdose retinol? Can I do it on my own? Well, the best is actually not to DIY your own microdosing retinol, but to use one that is actually provided. Enter Kiehls Retinol Skin Renewing Daily Microdose Serum. Every pump of this nifty bottle contains 0.1% of retinol. Yes, that's right, ladies and gentlemen. The dose that most of the time that you get in most skincare is between 0.5% to 2% retinol. This one, on the other hand, only contains 0.1% retinol. On the description bottle, we can read that it's written that our efficacious serum with pure retinol is because there are some products in the market whereby even though they tell you it's retinol, they actually have mixed it with retinol ester, which is a weaker form of vitamin A. So this Kiehls microdose retinol actually contains pure retinol. So it uses a precise ratio of potent ingredients to steadily promote cell turnover, which is the main function of retinol, which gives you the youthful looking skin. Visibly improved firmness, because retinol actually stimulates more collagen production and hence your skin is firmer, reduce the appearance of wrinkles, and to refine skin texture. With each pump, this daily strength concentration helps bring fresh new cells to the surface to renew the look and feel of the skin. It also has a combination of peptides and ceramides. Now, what are peptides? Peptides are teeny tiny amino acids that help increase cell turnover, that actually helps reduce wrinkles. And peptides are generally known as the stem cell of skincare. So it contains peptide for anti-aging purposes to help reduce wrinkles, and at the same time, it contains ceramide. Now, what is ceramide? Ceramides are fatty acids to help repair skin barriers. Now, why is it important to repair skin barrier? Because in some cases whereby you have over-exfoliation of your skin or severe skin irritation, it can cause a diminished skin barrier, which can lead to skin irritation, severe drying of your skin, and even mass acne. On top of just that, this microdose retinol also contains niacinamide, one of my favorite active ingredients. Niacinamide has been proven to increase collagen production, reduce skin sensitivity, and at the same time, reduce uneven skin tone. The vitamin E in the microdose serum of Kiehls also helps repair your skin. And this serum also contains 40-butyl cyclohexanol, which helps reduce the tingling sensation that retinol usually gives, and at the same time helps reduce irritation. Means with this micro dose of retinol of just 0.1%, it can help reduce sebum production, helps with antioxidant, helps anti-aging, anti-inflammatory, and at the same time help reduce those blemishes on your skin. Now, who can actually use microdose retinol? Different age groups and different skin types uses different strength of retinol. Generally, for someone with a more oily skin, a younger skin, we would advise a higher dose of retinol. Someone with an aging skin, generally we use a lesser dose of retinol. And usually someone with sensitive skin, we generally ask them to avoid retinol altogether. However, with a micro dose of retinol, all skin types can use, even sensitive skin. Are you a retinol user? If you are, please click the thumbs up below. So for the next 5 minutes, I'll be teaching you how to use the Kiehls microdose retinol serum if you have acne-prone skin, normal skin, and even aging skin. If you have acne-prone skin or even oily skin, generally we would highly advise you to start using an astringent like witch hazel or salicylic acid, which can actually help exfoliate dead skin cells and get into the pores to get rid of those sebum trapped inside. So if you have acne-prone or oily-based skin, what you can use is you can actually use a salicylic acid serum or a moisturizer in the morning. What we have here is a Kiehls Clearly Corrective Dark Spot Serum. Now, why the dark spot serum? Is because it contains salicylic acid, contains very mild doses of vitamin C and vitamin E. All this paired together can help reduce oily secretion, help brighten up your skin, and as well as reduce the blemishes caused by the acne. What you can do is just 1 to 2 drops of this on your face in the morning, followed by a moisturizer. You can use any form of moisturizer as long as suitable for your skin. And after that, sufficient UV protection in the morning. And at night, what you can do is you can clean your face with a cleanser and then use the microdose retinol serum followed by a moisturizer, and that's it. Before we go on, which retinol are you using? Let us know the brand and the strength of your retinol. Now, some of you might be asking, if I combine the two, would my skin be even more irritated? The answer is no, because you're not combining it at the same time. You're splitting it, one in the morning and one at night. And because this is a microdose retinol, it does not irritate your skin. I'm sure you've seen in some of my other videos, I usually advise retinol to be used after a moisturizer. Ladies and gentlemen, most of the time, yes, I would highly advise you to use after a moisturizer because a full-strength retinol can be irritating for your skin. Hence, the moisturizer acts as a buffer. But because this is a microdose, only 0.1%, you can use it before a moisturizer. However, if you're still afraid of its redness or side effects or potential skin purging, you can always use it after your moisturizer. No harm. Next up, what if you have normal skin and you just want to use it as an anti-aging step? Then you can actually use the Kiehls microdose retinol serum both morning and night. So all you need is 1 pump of the serum in the morning after your cleanser, wait for a minute or 2 and apply a moisturizer over the top. And always remember to apply sufficient sunscreen. And you can also use the same for night use, whereby you can use just 1 pump of the microdose retinol serum at night, followed by your favorite moisturizer. A quick trivia question. At what age should you start using retinol? Now, why is it that a lot of times dermatologists or even some of these blogs you read, which tells you you cannot use retinol during the daytime? Because if you have too much retinol or vitamin A on your skin, and when you're exposed to sunlight, it does irritate your skin. However, with low doses of retinol and sufficient UV protection, it is actually safe to use retinol during the daytime. So if you have normal skin and you want to start an anti-aging skincare routine, this is the best place to start. Now, how about those with aging skin or even hyperpigmentation like melasma? I'm going to introduce you to one of the most powerful anti-aging and hyperpigmentation combo in the world. You can actually start using vitamin C serum during the daytime and then followed by your favorite moisturizer. So what I have in front of me is a Kiehl's Powerful Strength Line Reducing Concentrate. It contains 12.5% vitamin C. Generally, when pairing up with a retinol, I would highly suggest no more than 20% of vitamin C, and sometimes as low as possible. This one, on the other hand, contains 12.5%, which is perfect for your anti-aging needs. And remember, after the vitamin C serum, to always use sufficient UV protection. And during the nighttime, same thing as well. 1 pump of the retinol microdose along with a moisturizer. What the retinol does also is to boost the already anti-aging effects of the vitamin C. Hence, you're getting more bang for your buck. Try this and you will see very nice skin in just a couple of weeks. So for those who want to start retinol but do not know where to start, you're just a retinol beginner, this would be a perfect place to start. If you're already using retinol and you feel that this is too low of a percentage, you can then use it twice a day. And if you've ever used retinol before but have stopped because of the skin irritation or purging, you can definitely give this a try. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, that's it from me. That's the end of our video. And do remember, like always, if you like our video, please subscribe, turn on the notification bell button, and let us know in the comments if you are a Kiehls user or you have ever used retinol in the past. And that's it from me. I'm Dr. Ingky, your digital skin doctor, and always remember to stay safe, stay healthy, and most importantly, stay informed. Are you tired of wasting time and money on your skin, but nothing works? We are here to help. Skynfyx is a platform that provides personal care education completely free. Skynfyx is run by skin doctors and skincare experts. You can chat and consult with our skin doctors without ever leaving your home. Other than free advice, Skynfyx also provides tailor-made solutions for your skin problem with customized medical-grade skincare delivered right to your doorstep. Skynfyx, your digital skin doctor.